Hello friends, welcome back to Future Genius. So in today's lecture, we'll discuss about the triple W, the full form of triple W, as you already know that World Wide Web. It is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed via the internet only. Like triple W is a way of exchanging information between computers on the internet. These documents are typically formatted in HTML, that is hypertext markup language, and can contain links to other resources like as images, videos, and other web pages. The triple W was first invented by the Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 and becomes publicly available in 1991. It has since become a fundamental aspect of the internet, providing a means for a people to access and share information globally. Component of a triple W considers like a web server. Web server says that these are computers that store and serve web pages and other resources upon request from client, typically web browsers. We can say that web servers host websites and make them accessible to users over the internet. Web browsers says that as we already know that we have discussed in previous video, that like what is web browser, like these are these are software application that users employee to access and view web pages. Popular web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, App Safari, Microsoft Edge, Opera Mini. These all are examples of web browsers. Browsers interpret HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web technologies to render web pages for users. Next, the URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform resource locator are an address used to identify resources on the internet. They specify the locations of a web pages, images, document, and other resources hosted on particular web server. So URL mainly consists of a several component like a protocol, that is HTTP or HTTPS, and domain name like example.com, and the path to the specific resources. And then HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the protocol used for transferring data between web servers and a client. It defines how request and response should be formatted and transmitted, and enabling communication between clients and a server on the triple W or a World Wide Web. And the last one is HTML. It is a standard markup language used to create the web pages. So next, the main difference between internet and triple W is internet, it is a global network of interconnected computers and devices, and triple W is a system of interlinked hypertext documented documents accessed by the internet. If we're talking about the scope, the infrastructure that enables communication and data exchange, it is a subset of internet. Connectivity provide the physical and logical infrastructure for communication, and in triple W allows user to access web pages, multimedia, and these only. This support protocols for communication TCP/IP, and this is utilized protocol like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, that is file transfer protocol. For retrieving web resources, types of data like transfer various types of data. It include it text, images, file, and in this primary transfer hypertext document like a web pages and multimedia contents. Uh, Invention in 1960, it was developed like internet is developed in 1960, but triple W invented in by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, but publicly available in 1991. Functionality of internet is it provides the backbone for numerous online services and application. And if we're talking about the triple W, it facilitates browsing and accessing web content through browsers. Examples of internet: LAN, MAN, WAN. These all are examples of internet, and triple W example: website, web application, online services. These all are example of triple W. Dependency: the World Wide Web is a significant application running on top of the internet. So we can say that triple W is a subset of internet, and triple W relies on the internet for infrastructure and connectivity. So this is the main difference between internet and triple W. And next video will cover our next topic. Till then, complete this topic. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.